Hello, welcome to Paul Reviews Everything, and today it is hot. I'm in the south, North Carolina. It's like 90 degrees today with 2,000 degree humidity, and my truck's AC is on the fritz. There is a leak in my system, so it doesn't stay charged all that long. So what I gotta do is get these refills, AC refill. This one is Easy Chill with leak sealer, so it's supposed to kind of like seal up your leak, and I'll show you how it works. This is actually my second can of this particular brand. I tried a couple before, and I feel like this one works the best. So let me show you how it works. First off, this is a refill, and this one is a refill too, but the first time you get one, you have to get this little attachment to go onto your, it attaches to your system, your AC system in the car. So you need to get, the first one you'll need to get is one of these with the gauge on there and attachments to it, or else it won't attach. And then you'll need to start the car up. Put the AC on full blast, full tilt, completely on high, all the way, and pop your hood. You need to get under there. That was the brake, not bad. Where's the hood? Whoa, that was close. There's a house right there. There's the hood, in the middle. Okay. Don't roll into your house, very important. Okay, let's go. Give me a little bit of a heart attack. Okay, with your hood open, you gotta look for the little, I would say nipple, like we should call it. You attach it. This is a Dodge 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Henry V8. And on ours, so I guess if you're looking at your truck with the hood open, you're on your left-hand side. Behind the air canister, you will see. Oh, there it is. That one's right there. So I'm assuming that any car is very similar. My understanding is that hose will only attach to that little nozzle, the little nipple. So if it doesn't fit, probably not the right place. Now what you do is you grab your can with your thing on it, and you shake it like crazy. Like a crazy person. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Another safety tip is you want to wear gloves, and you want to wear protective glasses. Got my sunglasses on, as you do. Hands of steel, so hopefully my hands won't freeze off. Okay, so now after you shook the crap out of it, shake 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 it. All you do, so I can do it with one hand, which I don't recommend it, you pop it on, just like so. You squeeze, and it should lock into place. Okay, on this gauge, you can see the different colors. You want to get into the blue section. Squeeze it until it gets to the blue. So you're supposed to you squeeze it for a little while, for like 10 seconds, and you let it off. Check it again, squeeze, like 10 seconds, and then you let it off, and double check it. And then also they want you to rotate the can every so many seconds as well. So squeeze a few times, rotate the can. Now I can't see the gauge, but I'm assuming by the rate of increase it's going to be fine. Enter it again. Check the thing. Getting closer. This can's almost empty, but I'm going to wear this one out before I attach the new one. Now you don't check it when you're pushing it, you check it when you let it go. So getting closer. I think this can is about done, so I'm going to remove it and attach it to my new can. Okay, here's my new can. Now try it again for much more power. Another shot before I turn the can. And the same thing, I shook it like crazy. we're in the blue now. Okay, good. So let's try to get a little higher, but you don't want to go higher because more is not better when it comes to AC. You could actually damage your system by putting too much in there. So I'm going to go a little more, call it a day. Up. Why are you dropping? That's where I wanted to be. So I'm going to disconnect, pull it off, and call it good. Let's go take a look at the inside and get a feel for the AC power. So what do you think? Is it going to be freezing cold or not? Oh yeah. Well, you can't feel it, but I can. It feels good. We have AC. So hopefully that'll last about a month or so. The refills are about $15. The initial one might be around 23, 24. But I think that one is a pretty good. I think it felt like it worked better than the last brand I used, which I think was the Walmart brand. But this one seems to work better. So I'm hoping that that sealant will eventually seal the situation. Maybe it'll last longer and longer before it refills. All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to Paul Reviews Everything. Thanks again.